Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and highly anticipated performance cars of the future, the 2026 BMW M9. This car isn't just another addition to BMW's M lineup, it's a statement of speed, luxury, and innovation that aims to dominate the competition in the supercar world. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or simply love performance machines, the M9 is a car that demands attention, and in this video, we're going to break down what makes it so special. The BMW M9 carries a futuristic design language that blends aggression with elegance. Its sharp lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and signature kidney grills give it a commanding presence on the road. BMW has pushed the boundaries of design with sleeker LED laser headlights, a bold low-slung stance, and performance-oriented carbon fiber elements. The M9 is not just about looking good, it's about function and speed, and every angle of this car screams performance. Under the hood, the 2026 M9 brings jaw-dropping numbers. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, it produces an astonishing 750 horsepower. That's enough to take this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. The hybrid system not only adds instant torque but also keeps the car efficient compared to traditional supercars. With advanced all-wheel drive and BMW's latest traction management system, the M9 is built to handle sharp corners, straight-line acceleration, and even challenging track conditions. Step inside, and BMW doesn't disappoint. The interior is a perfect mix of luxury and racing spirit. You're greeted with premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims, all paired with the latest iDrive system and massive curved digital displays. The M9 includes cutting-edge driver assistance features, adaptive seats that mold to your body during spirited driving, and a driver-focused cockpit that ensures every control is within easy reach. BMW has managed to create an environment where technology and driving passion coexist seamlessly. When we talk about competition, the M9 is stepping into a fierce battlefield. Its rivals include the Porsche 911 Turbo S, the Audi R8's upcoming electric variant, and even the Ferrari Roma. However, BMW has crafted the M9 not just as a supercar, but as a grand tour with practicality, making it a unique competitor in this segment. With a balance of raw power, daily usability, and BMW's signature handling, the M9 stands tall among its challengers. At the end of the day, the 2026 BMW M9 isn't just about numbers, it's about the experience. It's the roar of the engine, the thrill of acceleration, and the confidence of German engineering pushing limits. For anyone looking for a car that blends luxury, speed, and cutting-edge technology, the BMW M9 is a dream machine that takes the fight straight to the competition. So, what do you think of the 2026 BMW M9? Does it have what it takes to outshine Porsche and Ferrari? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and comparisons.